Utkat Konasana now, which is also called Ashwini Mudra or goddess pose. It's very good kind of squatting posture. It helps you to strengthen your inner thighs, and definitely it's good for your core and upper body as well, and of course it will improve your overall posture and alignment. So let's do it. Little more than hip width apart, like this. Okay, and you have to see that both the knees and toes are aligned. Slightly keep like this. No, ऐसे like this. हाँ. And now do this. So goddess pose, Ashwini Mudra or Utkat Konasana. You can keep palms in Namaste position as well at your heart center. So the longer you hold it, you will feel very good stretch here, beautiful stretch here in your inner thighs. And then you can raise your arms up as well in Namaste position over the head. Breathe normally. You can repeat the posture. This is also one of the key posture in Chandra Namaskar as well. Okay, relax. Legs together.